So just a quick one. I've been seeing a lot of videos where people take down their long-term protective style, and it's they are losing so much hair and all that. So I thought to share with you guys one thing that I have been doing that has helped me so far. Um, Late last year, I lost a lot of hair, and I wasn't doing long-term protective styling then. I was doing just 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 1 week, and all that. But I lost a lot of hair. But I figured something out and I want to share that with you guys. It's no secret, a lot of people do this, but this was my first time of just putting two and two together, and I discovered that this is actually what I needed. And that is taking supplements. So I'm not one to take supplements. I discovered that during the time I was pregnant few years back, I was not taking care of my hair, of course. That was before my big chop. I was not taking care of my hair. There was nothing like hair care in my routine. But I found out that while I was pregnant, I took this supplement, of course. And after pregnancy, my hair was very full, very thick. Even though I wasn't doing hair care at the time, back then I didn't have any a clue about of anything about hair care, but my hair was very full, my hair was fine. So I was experiencing a lot of hair loss, hair thinning last year. I think I've shared that in some of my videos already. Go watch that. So I was experiencing a lot of hair loss, breakage, shedding, and I wasn't even doing long-term protective styling like I do now. So I decided I needed to figure out what was going wrong. So I went researching, comparing and doing a lot of things to figure out what was going on. And then it struck me that I had not been taking any supplements. I was iron deficient. Now, don't ask me how I knew that. So I want to examine my body. Like, I know the things that I'm used to, I know what I'm not used to. So I decided to start taking supplements. So I know when I'm iron deficient. So I know that definitely I'm not getting enough of these things, enough of iron and all. So I figured, okay, let me go back to that supplement that I used to take back then. Just putting two and two together, and I discovered that I needed that iron supplement. So I just went back to taking that supplement, and I've seen a huge difference. Like, my hair doesn't snap the way it snaps before. Like, when I'm doing my hair, I notice that my hair will just snap. It will just pull from the roots. Like, I'm doing finger detangling and my hair is just pulling out unnecessarily. Like, it was just too much because I wasn't doing 3 months protective styling last year. I just did it once, I think beginning of the year. And yeah, so I do weekly washes, so I knew that there was really something wrong. So I'll be showing you guys pictures of how my hair was then and how thick my hair is now, which I've come to find that taking those supplements are actually helping me to replenish iron deficient in my body. So overall, I needed it because I don't really pay attention to those things, but I decided to start doing that. So we are women, there are a lot of hormones playing out in our bodies, and we need to keep check, we need to watch out, take care of ourselves and all that. So I just thought to share this with you guys. It's not a secret thing per se, because I know a lot of YouTubers who take supplements and all that. So this is something I've been taking before I started anything about hair care journey and all that. So it's not like it's a new supplement to me. So, but before you do this, please make sure that you seek advice from your healthcare professional. Make sure that you check yourself out before you take anything. Don't come and say Joy told you to take something. No, that is why I'm not disclosing what supplement I'm taking, because I know people will just go out there and start buying unnecessarily. So I don't recommend anything. I just recommend that once in a while you go check yourself out, because women, we have a lot of hormones that plays out at every stage of our life. So, and those things might be the reason why at some point you lose hair, some point you don't lose hair, or stuff like that. So it varies. I hope this video helps you. I hope you learned something from it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.